Did you know there are over 400,000 Venezuelans living in the United States that came escaping from the horror Venezuela is going through? Did you know they have been living in a limbo for years? Did you know you can help them? I'll tell you how. My name is Diana and I am Venezuelan. Venezuela, once the wealthiest nation in Latin America, experiences today levels of poverty comparable to war-torn countries, with shortages of basic supplies such as food and medicines. The communist dictatorship and drug trafficking regime not only represses but creates, encourages crime and violence. In 2014, we came to this country looking for a better future for our children. And since then, we have been waiting for an appointment for our immigration case to be heard. For 8 years, we have been living in a limbo, not able to set reachable goals. On top of the stress that means to be an immigrant, this situation is very expensive, not only because of the payments, deadlines, and all the paperwork that implies, but for the everyday economical burden that implies for a family to survive when they barely earn minimum wage. President Biden has recently granted Venezuelans with a temporary protective status. At least for now, we can sleep knowing we're not going to be deported. However, this is not a permanent solution to our situation, but more paperwork, renewals, payment, etc. I'm going to tell you some facts about Venezuelans. We have a mindset to succeed, to prosper, to grow. We have been identified as a highly skilled and educated immigrants, and we're hard workers, reliable and responsible. You might be asking yourself, why is this relevant? And how can I help these people? I'm here to kindly ask you to support the Venezuelan Adjustment Act, which is a project to help Venezuelan citizens that have been present in the United States by December 2021 to get their permanent residence. Giving Venezuelans permanent residence not only help us succeed, but the economy of the United States as well. I will give you my own case as an example. I hold a college degree that can be recognized or credited. Needing to improve my incomes, I've been trying to go back to school with no success. Even though we have been living in North Carolina for 5 years, for educational purposes, we are considered as a non-resident, which means that we will have to pay for an out-state tuition. We're not eligible for financial aid or any kind of scholarship. For a family that barely made minimum wage, this situation gets out of hand. This situation has been very difficult for us to accept and to understand. And now we're especially worried about our kids' future if they don't have the chance to go to college. Getting permanent residence will improve our reality. I'll get a degree and my children as well. That's why I kindly ask you, please support the Venezuelan Adjustment Act. There's just 4 simple steps you need to take. It will only take 5 minutes of your time that will have a huge impact in our lives. I appreciate it, my family appreciate it, and the 400,000 Venezuelans appreciate it. Feel free to share this email and the link that I'm going to share with you down below so you can check the project, sign in support, and complete the 4 steps. Thank you so very much.